This is amazing. Viršuliškių today on the 11th of August 2024. Also in Viršuliškės here in Vilnius, Lithuania, one of the verbs here. And I'll just take this quickly with 12 words. And this one is original. Unfortunately, the other one was it.
Yeah, Coney also. Cases 280.
We don't need it. No time for it.
Yeah. Or if it's 2024, also I can take one already.
And I can take pictures of it.
Yeah.
The IS were built in 1978.
The serial number is LF01081666.
The panel is quite unusual because it has the numbers on the buttons and now
Yeah.
to the left of them. Completely original.
Yeah.
Still actually not in bad condition.
Yeah.
The machine is working well.
Yeah.
It stays 4 buses or 20 times.
Inspected by Tyflit and maintained by Coney.
But unfortunately the left one was replaced.
Yeah.
Interesting machine, almost like a Schneer machine learner.
Yeah. Same.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. But I think this call button is also not complete, but still it fits in.
Yeah. That's